Hi children, Namaste. Welcome to English class. Children, in my previous video, I sang that poem A Little Bird's Song, and also I give an explanation of that poem. And in my today's video, I am going to start your new lesson, 9th lesson and last lesson of your English textbook is Dear Animal Day. Dear Animal Day, it is your 9th lesson. Today I am going to start it. So please look at your screen, all of you. I am going to share that lesson on your screen now. If you have textbook, you can open it and sit. If you don't have the textbook, please look at your screen. Yes, lesson number 9, Dear Animal Day. Here get set. Here is an activity to be completed first. Okay, before starting this lesson, we need to complete this activity. What is this activity? Which of these do you do in school? Put a right mark or tick mark. Or if you are not doing in school, for that you need to put wrong mark. See, first one they are doing. What they are doing? Children are sharing their food and or fruits or something, and they are eating here. Yes. In your school, you also will do this same thing. You will share your things with your friends and you will eat. It is called as a sharing nature. Okay, this you will do in school. Yes, right mark. Second, look at this. What these children are doing here, the child is doing what? And these two people, that grandma and grandpa, they are there here, grandparents of that child or that boy here. That boy is playing with them. Boy is playing with his grandparents. Is it possible in school? No, it is not possible in school. So in this box, downside the given box, no small box here. In this box you need to put wrong mark. Next image you see here. So it is a school fancy dress day. It is a program will be conducted in the school. Okay, in this kind of program you will wear different kind of dresses and you will perform different types of actions and some other things you will perform. So in the school, it is possible in school or not? Yes. School fancy dress day will be conducted in the school. Yes, it is right. You have to put it right. Next, here, what this girl is doing here? See, she is going to, it means her mother or she, somebody, they washed those cloths and she is going to put under sun. It means here she is hanging those cloths. Where you will do these kind of activities? At home or in the school? So you can do this one at home, not in the school. So here wrong mark we have to put because you are not doing this one in your school. So wrong mark. Next, here downside you see image. What these children are doing? They are playing in the ground. These three children are playing in the ground. Where it is possible? In school. It is not possible at home because your classmates, some of your classmates, they may come to your house, but all the classmates, they cannot come to your house. So only you can play with your friends in the school. So right mark you can put it here. For this last one you see, what these children are doing? All these three children are sitting together and they are drawing something here. Look at this image properly. They are drawing something. They are using crayons or color pencils and they are drawing here. So it means together, it means group work it is. Three members together, they are doing this work. It is possible in school, not at home. Because at home, your friends may not come to your home and they may help you in drawing or something. So that is why it is possible only in school, not at home. So right mark you can put here. Okay, this you can do it in your textbook, children. Okay, children, now I am going to read this story. Listen carefully. And after this, try to read this story with the help of your parents, whether your mother's help or father's help or brother or sister's help you can take, and you can read this story once. Then, lesson number 9, Dear Animal Day. Here look at this image which is given above the paragraph. So this boy, he wore the costume of lion and his mother is helping him to wear those all the things. And she is telling here a smart, or what a smart lion, that she is telling here. Now I will start reading of this lesson. Today mummy did not have to wake up Ben. He got up on his own. He got up early too. He woke up his parents. Ben was very happy. It was fancy dress day in school. Fancy dress day in school. Here I am going to start my reading. Mrs. Iyer was Ben's teacher. She had asked the children to dress up as animals. The show was named Dear Animal Day. Ben brushed his teeth. He had a bath. Papa took out Ben's brown pajamas and jacket. Ben wanted to dress up as a lion. He loved lions. Here, Mummy cut chart paper into a round shape. She cut out a circle in the middle. She pasted brown wool over it. The lion had a thick mane now. Then she painted whiskers on Ben's face. Ben was a lion. Roar. Ben took out here I am reading. Ben took out his books from his school bag. It was a no books day today. Papa packed Ben's lunch box. Mummy filled up his water bottle. Here, Ben ran out happily. Honk, honk. There was Ben's bus. Kirti wanted to dress up as a rabbit. She loved rabbits. They are soft and cute. She told her friends. Here I am going to start. Papa got a white t-shirt and white leggings for her. He cut out 2 long ears from chart paper. Granny painted pink marks on them. Here you see, Kirti was a little bunny. Hop, hop, hoppity hop. She hopped all around the house. What a lovely rabbit she was. Fatima wanted to dress up as a zebra. Here you see. Fatima wanted to dress up as a zebra. She helped Amma paint black zebra stripes on old newspaper. Amma made a long dress from it. Fatima painted a white paper bag for the face. A white paper bag for the face. Here you see. Here, Abba made holes for her eyes, nose and mouth. Amma helped Fatima dress up. Fatima, Ben and Kirti reached school. They held hands and ran to their classroom. Their friends had dressed up as peacocks, elephants and cows. Here, some had dressed up as tigers, giraffes, horses, monkeys and parakeets. They are the birds. Parakeets are birds like parrots only. They are like, so parakeets we call them. Parrots, like parrots they are. Here I am continuing. They were happy to see each other. You could hear roars, moos, and neighs. They danced, hopped, jumped, and ran around. Mrs. Iyer said, I am so proud of my class. She gave storybooks to all those who took part. Everyone was happy. This is the lesson, Dear Animal Day. With this, I am going to conclude my today's class, children. It means I am going to stop my today's class. In my next class, surely I will explain to you this story, and also I will give you the questions and answers of this story. You have to read this story with the help of your parents after watching this once. Okay, take care. Have a nice day.